The other day, Bobby Dwayne was a-telling me how I'm a-needing to learn something about that there doggone start-em-up menu doohickey. And then he learnt me some purty nifty fancy computer tricks, and now I'm a-gonna learn you. So firstin', we's a-gonna punch right here on this here four little windows looking doohickey right here with our doggone pointing finger. And now looky here. There's that dadgum start-em-up menu doohickey done opened up right there on this here doggone computer monitor screen, and we's a-needing to figure what we's a-be a-wanting to see in this here right here, okay? And if we's a-wanting to put one of them there doohickeys right here, over there like this right here, all's we's gots to do is we's gots to skedaddle on over there, and once we's a-be a-seeing which one of these here doohickeys we's a-wanting right here, we's a-needing to punch down on it with our doggone pointing finger, and then we's a-needing to drag it over there like this right here, and let go of our doggone mouse doohickey, and looky here. And with some of these here acorn-looking doohickeys, we's a-can punch on it with our doggone middle finger, and then we's a-needing to run our doggone mouse doohickey over there this here what's a-saying more, and then we's a-needing to punch on that there what's a-saying, turn on the doggone live tilly, and looky here, that there's getting pretty doggone fancy. And if we's a go to punching on this here acorn with our doggone middle finger, and then we's a go to running our doggone mouse doohickey over this here what's a-saying more again, and then we's a go to punching on that there what's a-saying, turn on the doggone live tilly, and that right there's getting pretty fancy too. Now that there don't work with all of them there doggone acorns, cause if we's a go to punching on this one right here, it don't do a doggone thing. Okay? Now watch this right here. We's a kinda get rid of a bunch of them there doohickeys that we's a not a wanting to be a peeking at right here. If we's a go to punching on the doggone doohickey with our doggone middle finger, and then punch on this here what's a saying uni pine from start, like that right there. And if we's a go to punching down on one of them there doggone doohickeys with our doggone pointing finger, we's a kinda go to moving that there doohickey, and we's a kinda put it anywhere's we's a wanting it to be a setting. And if we's a wanting to make this here entire doohickey right here bigger or littler, all we's gots to do is we's gots to jump up here on the top of this here right here, and once we's a be a seeing that there double air looking doohickey like this right here, we's a needing to punch down with our doggone pointing finger and drag this here window doohickey like this right here and make it littler, or drag it this away right here and make it bigger. And we's a kinda even grab it right here on this here side like this right here and punch down and drag it like this right here. And then we's a kinda punch on this here what's a saying work, and then double punch like this right here, punch on that there word to make it turn blue like that right there, and then punch our own doggone names that we choose. And if we's a wanting to make one of these here littler or bigger, we's a needing to punch with our doggone middle finger right here like this right here, and then run our doggone mouse doohickey over this here what's a saying resize right here like this right here, and then punch with our doggone pointing finger on whichever one we's a wanting to punch on. And then, if we's a wanting to put one of these here acorn doohickeys down there on this here Taskbar like this right here, we's a needing to punch down on it with our doggone pointing finger, and then we's a needing to drag it down there to the doggone Taskbar like this right here, and once we's a seeing where it's a saying link the doggone thing, we's a needing to let go of our doggone mouse doohickey. And there you go. Okay?